Namaste bachcho. In the last class we learnt about the 5 Vyanjan letters, that is ta, tha, da, dha, na. So today in this class we are going to do the exercise of that chapter. We will continue from page number 28. So the first given Vyanjan letter is ta. I hope you all have your textbook with you. Now let us start doing it. You have to do it along with me. So the first one, you have to draw a short standing line. Next, short standing line and then C. Once again, short standing line, C on the top, sleeping line. Same way, standing line, C, sleeping line. Rest of them you can do it by yourself. Next letter is tha. Let us start doing it. Short standing line, then C, standing line, and you have to write letter O. Once again, standing line, O and sleeping line. Same way here also. Rest of the letters you can write in by yourself. Next Vyanjan letter is da. Da say damru. So first we will draw a short standing line. Second step, small c. Third step, you have to write letter S. Once again, S, and on the top, sleeping line. Same way here also, standing line, S and sleeping line. Now rest of them you can write it by yourself. Next Vyanjan letter is dha. Dha say dhakkan. So first we have to draw this short standing line, then C, and then here in the third method you have to turn inside. Once again, standing line, C and turn inside. On the top, sleeping line. Same way here also. Da. We pronounce dha. The next Vyanjan letter is na. It's very simple. You have to write along with me. First, draw a straight line. Second step, you have to write letter U. Letter U and standing line. Once again, letter U, standing line, and on the top, sleeping line. The same way here also, U, standing line, and on the top, sleeping line. Rest of them you can do it by yourself. Now here in page number 30, the first exercise. In Hindi we say abhyas, that means exercise. So the first one is चित्र के सही नाम के आगे सही का निशान लगाइए. You have to take the correct answer. So you can see picture is given here, and below that picture 2 options are given. You have to take the correct spelling. This is ice. Ice, it's very cold. And Hindi we say thanda. Thanda means cold. Now you have to take the correct spelling. Thanda, tha. So this is the correct spelling. You have to mark it along with me. Now the next picture is dhal. Dhal means shield. So listen carefully, the pronunciation dhal, dha, dhal. It has a longer sound, dhal. We have longer sound when we add a symbol to it, dhal, dha plus a symbol plus la makes dhal. This is the correct spelling. Third picture is cap, topi, toe. When we add o symbol, it pronounced toe, ta plus o symbol, toe, topi. This one, ta. I hope you all have done it. Now let's move to the second exercise. The question is, चित्र को देखकर उनके नाम से मिलाइए. That is, match the following. So here you can see pictures and on the other side the names. So the first picture is box, second one lid, tomato, the fourth one is tinka. So in Hindi we say dibba, that means box. So you have to match it, dibba, D, da plus e symbol, dibba. You have to match it like this. Second one is dhakkan, lid. So dha, dhakkan, you have to match it here. Third one, tomato, that means tomato. In Hindi it's tomato, ta, it starts with ta, tomato. The fourth one is tinker, thatera, tha, it starts with tha, thatera. I hope you all have done it. Now let's move to the next exercise. The next exercise is rang bhariye, that means color the given pictures. So can you identify these pictures? Yes, the first one is a parrot. Parrots are birds of different colors, isn't it? Now the next picture is of a lotus. Lotus is a flower and it floats on water. Do you know that lotus is our national flower and it's pink in color? Now what you have to do is, you have to color these pictures and make it very beautiful. Now let's move to page number 31. So here you can see a small story. The story is about mice. Mice is a plural form of mouse. So mouse is singular, that means one in number. The plural form of mouse is mice, that is more than one in number. The name of this story is Choohe Ka Khel. Here Choohe means mice and Khel means game. So it is mice game. In Hindi, Chooha means one in number and Choohe means more than one in number. Now let's start reading this chapter. You have to listen it carefully, listen the pronunciation and understand its meaning. Here you can see mice are playing in their garden. So I am going to read it. The first line, चूहा अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेल रहा था. Here चूहा, चूहा means a mouse. दोस्तों, friends. खेल, to play. So the meaning is a mouse was playing with his friends. Now in the next picture you can see the entry of a cat. We all know that cat loves mice. Now let's see what happened. बिल्ली को देख सारे चूहे भागे. So here बिल्ली means cat, देख means see, चूहे, चूहे means mice. So on seeing a cat, all friends started running. Now here in the third picture, can you make out what happened here? Among these 3 mice, one mouse was very small in size, and in this picture you can make out that it got stuck in the bottle. I am going to read the line. एक छोटा चूहा bottle में फंस गया. छोटा means small, bottle means bottle. फंस गया, it got stuck. फंस means stuck. So a small mouse got stuck in a bottle. The next picture. बिल्ली उसे पकड़ नहीं पाई तो लकड़ी लेने गई. Here बिल्ली means cat, पकड़ catch, नहीं means no, लकड़ी stick. So what happened? The cat tried to catch the mouse, but she failed and she went in search of a stick. At that time, the other 2 mice came and rescued this mouse. So the next line. चूहा अपने दोस्तों की पूंछ के सहारे बोतल से निकल गया. Here पूंछ means tail, bottle bottle, निकल came out. So the mouse escaped from the bottle with the help of his friends. बिल्ली को देख सारे चूहे इधर उधर भागे. इधर उधर means here and there. भागे means ran. So on seeing the cat, all friends started running here and there. Now the last line. बिल्ली निराश होकर देखती रह गई. निराश means sad. So who became sad? The cat. The meaning is cat kept looking with disappointment. This is a short story about the mice. So with the example of this story, emphasis is on unity. Unity means togetherness. As you saw here, when one mouse was in danger, other 2 mice came to rescue them. Same way, we should also help others. When we help others, others will also help us. We should stand together to fight against the negative things. This is the meaning of this story. I hope you like this story. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.